how to fix your YouTube TV from buffering. So it can be frustrating, but there are several easy steps you can take to fix the issue. So you're gonna go ahead and check your internet connection first. Now, YT recommends at least 3 to 4 Mbps for SD content and 13 to 15 for HD or 4K content. You can also fix this by closing other devices or apps, or you can go ahead and switch to a wired connection. It's faster that way and it gives you a more stable connection. You can also go ahead and try restarting your router or modem. So if your internet is slow, sometimes a simple restart of your router or modem can help. So just go ahead and press the power off button or plug out the wire for at least 10 to 15 seconds and then turn them back on. If you can't fix the connection of your YouTube TV, then you can go ahead and lower the video quality. So it's gonna most likely fix the buffering issue of your YouTube TV for the cost of a lower quality and lower resolution. Next is to clear cache or data on your device. So for mobile devices, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube TV, Storage, and then select Clear Data or Clear Cache. Note that clear data might log you out of the TV app, but as long as you have your information ready, then you should be able to log it back in easily. Now the 2 steps is just to update your YouTube TV app, and finally is to restart your device. So a quick restart of your device can often resolve minor issues. So you can just go ahead to YouTube TV by searching it in your preferred browser. So YouTube TV and this link, which says YouTube TV of course, and go ahead to their FAQs and you can be able to search for your issue here. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.